Hey everyone, it's Chris with Artifact. I want to briefly show you how to take on and off our new number 448 Y-strap grilling apron. So what you're going to want to do is you've got this Y-strap system like that. You're going to slide it over your head. And what I like to do is I like to take that belt and make sure it's nice and straight and not twisted. And then also make sure the yoke strap that comes down here isn't twisted. So that feels good. And then you're gonna take the button tab here and you're gonna button it. But what I like to do is I'll just take and let the belt out with the slider so that I can see what I'm doing. And then I button it on. And then I take the slider and then I slide it back to get as snug of a fit as I'm gonna want from it. So that feels pretty good right there. And then voila. Thank you for watching.